What's up, guys? Welcome back to another fishing adventure. Today we're gonna be flicking the brand new rod and reel on this nice little swim bait and see if we can catch ourselves a, I don't know, something. Alright, I'm gonna start flicking these lures around. You're gonna have a flick?
Flick.
You gotta chuck the hat on. Oh, fuck. Oh, straight over yours, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, so just earlier we seen, just in there, there's a bunch of bait fishing around, but we seen two little rats like barra. Just busting up down there. Bit of a little secret spot. It's our first time coming here. Not too far up that way. There's a bunch of rocks and there's like, oh fuck. There's a bunch of oysters just on the rocks up there.
10,000 likes, I'll go down there and get some.
If we get 10 likes, I'll go down there and get some, maybe have a little cook up. And guys, 10 likes, that's not hard. Just trying to make a living here. Oh, what a cost.
Wait, we don't get a fish here. I don't know what we're.
Boom, chickadee, boom, chick, chick. Mate, that's how we catch a fish. Oi, so I'll have to show you a photo, but the other day we were fishing at these drains, right? We're fishing at these drains, and this kid's like, we never done it before, but this kid's like, we gotta do the 3, 2, 1. And I'm like, what is that? He goes, you count down from 3, and it gives you good luck to catch a fish. That's why we haven't caught a fish together yet. And I was like, oh yeah, so we did it. And that same day, he caught a bloody nice little mangrove jack.
I didn't think I was going on my phone.
I've got a photo of it.
Wait, let's see how far we can get this. Ready?
Oh,
Not too far.
good save. Right on a bloody snap.
You wanna
Timmy. I don't really want to lose this lure. Yeah, I literally got this rod yesterday. Rod and reel set up. Oh, bloody beautiful. Straight up. Yeah, but not even joking. I've seen 2 little barra here earlier. There's a bunch of gar floating around and some little mullet right there. And there's a bloke up that way who was saying he caught a bunch of mangrove.
10 or 20 mangrove jacks.
Yeah, he said he pulled out like a bunch of mangrove jacks here yesterday. Further up the creek though. Oh. What? Oh, that's right.
I forgot my chest mount for my GoPro. I wonder if I can set that up to my. Never mind.
If you want, you can set it up to my tripod.
Oh yeah. Do that.
Yeah, so he's got a GoPro Session 4 or something. He literally bought it for like 25 bucks and it works perfectly fine.
Yeah.
And I'm using the Hero 9.
Well, I've got a big camera.
He's also got a big camera in there in case we ever actually catch a fish. Yeah, so we'll try and get you guys some videos. I definitely got to get better at my intro. That was like really cringe.
Well,
Like this kid was sitting here fucking laughing at me.
we'll switch on to the intro and all that.
Yeah,
Like I'll do some.
and then maybe like at the moment this is going to be a joint account, but
Yeah.
maybe in the future we'll make our own like. So there will be like a joint account, and then our own like personal ones. Which would probably be a bit of a good idea. Give you a little hint where we're fishing. You hear that? Airplane.
Now, if that doesn't hit you ahead. Oh, no, what's up?
Hey,
Oh,
bloody hell! Fucking almost blew me head away.
Is this as far as it goes?
Goes down a bit further, but you can't hold that bottom bit. Hold it from, yeah.
Where should I?
I don't know, you could even just put it on the table or something.
No, but the sun.
Oh yeah, don't want to get it too hot.
I honestly need to try to set this up to my phone. So I'll try to do that.
Yeah, I only set mine up to my phone this morning. Like, I had it set up to my old phone, but
Yeah, same.
I broke my old phone, and now I'm using this like, I don't even know what it is.
Let's say 2,000 followers. We'll give away a rod and a reel.
We'll give away a few lures. Yeah, wait, once we hit 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, we'll give away a 4-pack of lures or something.
five lures to 5 different people.
Yeah, 5 lures to 5 different people, so a lure each. You gotta subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, that's
And follow
it.
our TikTok.
That's it, but like, it would be appreciated if you followed our TikTok and Instagram too, which we've got TikTok, but Instagram's not really sorted out yet. And I've, like, he's been fishing for a while, but I only just started fishing at the start of this year. It's the 3rd of April, the day that we're filming this. Yes, the 3rd today.
What's the GoPro at? GoPro?
80%.
No, like GoPro app.
Oh, it's the GoPro Quick App. Oh, so many snags around here. Straight off. Yeah, I'll quickly show you a photo of that jack that he caught. It was literally just on like a little popper that was maybe like that big.
I should have the popper in my bag.
I thought you said you didn't bring it.
I just looked and it's in the top pocket.
Okay. Where are my photos? Yeah, here it is. Little, would have been about 30, 31. Nice mangrove jack. If you can see that. Pretty nice.
Very good, very nice.
A little release video. If you can even see that.
Hating on that.
I don't know if you can even see that. No, the only person who was hating on it, the Will. Yeah, the only, I know him.
Who?
Will.
Oh, who?
Wakefield.
Who's that?
Someone I used to play on, like, my Xbox with. Yeah, that was down at the drains. Out near, Yorkie's Knob. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know if I told you, but really impressed with this little setup. Got it yesterday, brand new. Daiwa Air 4000, if that's how you say it. Shimano Ultegra, 6'6". It's a 5 to 8 kilo rating, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 5 to 8. Perfect little barrow setup. I was hoping to get the 5,000 size reel because, as I said, we're going to have access to a reef boat soon. So I'll be going out a bit deeper, and 5,000 can just hold that bit of extra line. Would have been ideal, but they had 2 in stock there. They had 2 in stock there at BCF, but they couldn't find them anywhere. Kind of weird. Here's another plane. Pretty loud, eh? Off of them. It sounded like it just blew up or something. Yeah, so as I said, I'm only new to fishing. I don't really know how to work this lure. I'm kind of just like letting it swim up and then drop back down. Like, it was literally the 1st of January. I went out for a fish with him at the Palm Cove jetty. And kind of got hooked on fishing since then. I've got 3 rods, one's broken, and I also use my dad's rod. So I've got this Daiwa and Shimano Ultegra, and then I've got my my bait caster, which is my bait caster is a. One sec, I'll let this go past. Helicopter. Yeah, so I've got my Daiwa aired on the Shimano Ultegra, if that's how you say it, and then I've got the what's my bait caster? It's just a combo I got from Anaconda. It was like 180 bucks, I think. Oh, it's the Abu Garcia Black X or something. And then I've got my first ever rod was like a Daiwa D-Shock, and that's broken. And then whenever we go out to like the jetties or something, I take my dad's rod as well, which is a Shimano Raider, like the Barrow Raider ones on the Shimano Sienna 4000. Let's get over here setting up his GoPro. Oh. Yeah, so I'm running 30-pound braid on this, and I've always just got my 50-pound leader in my bag. Oh, you guys also might get some pretty good videos later this year. Me and him are going up to somewhere in Lakefield for 3 days over the, like in June.
And it was legal.
Where was that?
Arakoon.
Alright.
And I was working out there.
Damn. Have you caught a barra yet?
Me?
Yeah.
No. I had a barra from here.
Yeah, so neither of us have caught a barra. I actually haven't even caught a fish. Oh, that's a lie. I've caught mullet in a cast net, and I've also caught prawns in cast net, and I went out to Palm Cove jetty with him for a night, and literally first drop on this, like, I don't know what you call them, some sort of rig. It's got the...
It's called a bait jig.
A bait jig.
Yeah.
It's got the multiple hooks on it. First drop, dropped it down. I jigged it up, reel, jigged it up. Yeah, so dropped down, jigged it up, reel, jigged it up, blah, blah, blah. Literally first drop, it took off, and there was these 2 little, what would have been about like that, like stripies or whatever they were. Just chucked them straight back. Then we went and had burgers on the beach. Well, I had burgers. He had nothing.
Oh, nothing. I was fishing.
Yeah, he was dedicated to fishing. I didn't even have my own rod. I was using his. Did you show them what lure you were using?
Yeah.
And you, yeah.
Oh yeah, I've also got 30-pound braid, 50-pound leader.
Yeah, so he's running the same as me, 30-pound braid, 50-pound leader. Although his braid's kind of like, he traded one of our mates that rod for one of his, and that rod came with the line that has on it, and it's kind of like disintegrated. Like, it's not too bad. Like, most of his lures stay on, but sometimes it just busts straight off. He's only had that rod for like, what, a month now?
Yeah.
Not even.
I want to take my GoPro and the mangoes there.
You going over there?
Yeah, just for a bit of a walk.
Alright, with it.
I'm going to go on the mangroves, see if we can find a mud crab.
He's going for a little crab hunt. What is going on here?
Oh, yell out.
Alright. What's the time?
Yell out if you catch the fish, Joe.
Done for mine. Had one bite earlier, off camera. I don't think it was one of them barrows though. I think it was just something playing around. I really don't know. Someone, I don't know if you can see that, but someone over there lost that lure. Like a little red and white one. And I haven't even had a proper lunch, and it's like 3:30. Had a few snacks here and there. But I don't know if you guys know how to tie bloody good leader knots, but I just use the uni knot. Seems to hold up. I don't know how people do the, what you call it, the FG. And look, we might edit this video out a bit, so there's like different clips of this. But let us just know if you want like raw videos. Yeah, let us know if you just want like raw video. So just edited clips, we'll probably do a bit of both. Want to get a tinny, we can just punch up the creeks and shit. Go out to Double Island. Do a lot of stuff that you...
Yeah, it's good.
Go check him out, he's good. No, my dream boat, like my dream tinny, like this sort of soft boat, like creek boat would be what Mick's gone fishing as. He's got a, like a, what is it, a Ford Stacer Outlaw, like a 420 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, as I said, if we get like 10 likes, we'll go try collect some oysters or something. But yeah, that'll probably be the end of the video. It'd be appreciated if you guys subscribe, maybe share it to some friends, but yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. See ya!